Here's a Westinghouse Apollo Elite that I got from Donald Root at the Fanimation trip. Well, actually, I got it from his cousin at Fanimation. Anyway, I installed it in my bedroom next to my 1895. I was kind of surprised that there's enough spacing between the blades. I'll show you here in a second. That much spacing. Yeah, about 6 inches or so. But anyway, I wanted it right here because I wanted to put a neon light on my fan, but I wanted it with chrome finish. And so, yeah, we got this one. It does wobble pretty bad, so I don't think I'm going to have it on high for too long. But here's the light. It does light up pretty good in here. Reminds me of a bar. Turn it off. And we'll start it off on low. It looks like it's pretty close to the wall back here, but it really isn't. About 1.5 feet or so. Go to medium. I'll go to high. Actually, medium looked a hell of a lot worse than high did. Pretty powerful for what it is. Oh, it's kind of airlocking, but it still blows some air. I'll go off. Well, that's it, and until next time.